You will need some green buttercream to make your jungle leaf texture on your cake in a medium consistency, as you can see here. Now take your jungle leaf stencil that you have purchased with your kit, and with your green buttercream, you want to spread it evenly across the front of the stencil. Just keep applying the buttercream bit by bit until you have evenly covered the entire stencil. The cake that I'm decorating on is covered in fondant, which makes the surface nice and firm for stenciling. If you're using buttercream, you will need to make sure that you refrigerate your cake so it's nice and firm before you start your stenciling. Continue to apply the icing until you're happy that it's evenly covered across the whole front of the surface of the stencil. Then gently peel back your stencil to reveal the jungle leaf pattern. Now you're going to want to take your dinosaur stencil and you're going to use a chocolate coloured buttercream to apply the footprint design to the side of your cake. Just keep adding the chocolate buttercream across each footprint until you've covered them all. Now peel back the stencil to reveal the cute dinosaur footprints. Now we want to add the piped leaf details. Take your 67 piping tip and pop it into the disposable piping bag. You want to cut a hole in the end of this bag just so the end pokes through so the buttercream can flow freely. Now turn your bag inside out so that you can put your buttercream inside the piping bag. Just add as much as you feel you can handle in the piping bag at one time. You don't need too much buttercream because there is just a small amount of detail being applied. Make sure that you squish the buttercream down to the end and remove any air bubbles that might be present. Now you're ready to add your piped leaf details. To create the leaf, you need to take your piping bag and as you're piping, gently move your hand up and down to create the ruffled leaf design. You can see here how I'm just gently moving my hand up and down as I drag it across to create the different length in leaves. And when you're ready, just start piping your leaves across your cake. I just kept adding the details around the acrylic toppers until I was happy with the amount of leaves I had on my cake. There's no right or wrong answer, it's just simply keep piping until you're happy with the amount of foliage you've added.